Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn what is meant by integers. In our daily life, we used to say that I have 2 pens with me, or there are 25 roses in my garden, or I have one best friend. All these numbers, for example, this 25, 2, 1, 3, all these numbers, that is numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity, are known as natural numbers. We are using them for counting. So these natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Okay, so numbers, the set of numbers starting from 1 to infinity are known as natural numbers or counting numbers. Now, when we add a 0 to this set, we are adding a 0 to this set. So that set starts from 0. It goes to infinity. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. This set of numbers is known as whole numbers. So the numbers starting from 1 is known as natural numbers or counting numbers, and the numbers starting from 0 are known as whole numbers. Now, you might have heard that the temperature, especially during winter, the temperature of a particular city, for example, let us say Jammu. The temperature in Jammu during winter season is below 0 degree. What is meant by this below 0 degree? Or for example, it is minus 5 degree Celsius. So the number here is negative, that is minus 5. Can we add this number anywhere in this number set or this set? No, it cannot be added in a natural number or it cannot be added in a whole number, because it is a number which have a sign before that is a negative sign or a minus sign before that number. So there arises the need for another set of numbers known as integers. Yes, integers are the set of numbers which are both positive and negative numbers. And negative numbers including numbers including 0. Okay, that is what is known as integers. So integers are a set of numbers which are both positive and negative numbers including 0. That is what is meant by integers. Okay, now let's see. We know that the number line for a natural number will be, because we know natural number is the set of numbers starting from 1. So its number line will be starting from 1, 2, 3, and it goes on up to infinity. So this is the number line for a natural number. The distance between all the numbers is unique. Okay, it will be same. This is the number line for a natural number. What about a whole number? The number line for a whole number will be starting from 0, because in a whole number, set of whole numbers, there is 0. So this is the number line for a whole number. So we said that just before a few minutes, we said that integers have both positive and negative numbers including 0. And we also know that this negative, I said the temperature of Jammu is below 0. Below 0 means will it be more than 0 or less than 0? Below 0? Below 0 means it is obviously less than 0. So can we add those negative numbers here in this set? No. So how will be the number line of an integer? So there 0 will be at the middle of the number line towards right of 0 as usual. In any number line that is of natural number or whole number, we have positive numbers towards the right and towards the left. Yes, it is less than 0. A negative number is a number which is even less than 0, the value of that number is less than 0, so it will be towards left of the number line. -1, -2, -3, etc. So this will be how the number line of an integer will be. Towards right of 0, we have positive integers, and towards left of 0, we have negative integers. And when we move, that is the case of all numbers or number lines. When we move towards right, the value increases. The value of 2 is more than that of 1. The value of 3 is more than that of 2. Same, the value of 1 is more than that of 0. We know that. That is the case in an integer also, or in integers also. That is, value of 1 is obviously greater than 0. We know that because 1 is more than 0, or 10 is more than 5. We know that. Same way, when we move towards right of the number line in an integer, the value increases. That means if this, I'm just redrawing the number line. So 0 will be there in the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And here we have -1, -2, -3, etc. towards the left. So this value of -1 will be greater than that of -2. That means since this -1 is towards right of -2, this -1 have more value than -2. Okay. Same way, this value of -2 is greater than -3. So, same way, the positive numbers, we already know that 2, 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. Same way, that is when we move towards right of the number line, the value increases, and when we move towards left of the number line, the value decreases. And the number, if it is just written as 3, it is understood that it is a positive number. Okay, there is no need to write +3. We can write it. It is also possible, but usually when we write 3, it is understood that it is +3. But if it is written as negative, that is, if it is written as -3, it is understood that it is a negative number. So, and the 0 is neither positive nor negative. There is no sign in front of 0 like -0 or +0. This is wrong. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So this is all about just what is meant by integers and how will we represent them on a number line. In our next video, we can see how to add integers and how to subtract integers. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.